All right, guys, here we go. This is going to be 2020 Lumber Kings one box break number 22B. Yo. We got the Graph and EMAC ready to roll. I put .com on it. Four times. Spot one, we got spot two, we got spot three, we got Tano. Spot four. All right, 1 Drew, 2 Dale, 3 Tano, 4 JJ. 4 times on the dice roll. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4th and final. Good luck. Here we go. We got Drew C, Tano, JJ, and Dale. Dang, JJ. Should just put JJ on there. Maybe it's because it doesn't say JJ. There we go, Drew. Congrats. Tano, congrats. JJ and Dale, sorry on the second half. But I would say one thing I would say about the last box, everybody seemed to fare well. Not too bad on the last box for all spots. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully every card is good. Dice roller. Excuse the arms for the new guys. They're probably like, what's that on that guy's arms? I would be doing it. Dude, what does that guy got on his arms? Looks better though. Just don't ever get shingles, guys. Forget the burning part. It's the nerve that runs down the side of your neck, into your shoulder, down to your back. All right. Ooh, what's that? Oh, okay. I thought that was the Mac Daddy. Still nice. All right, guys. Good luck. All right, we got tape to tape. We got Paul Coffey and Potvin. Dennis Potvin, that is. Number to 15. 8 of 15. What up, KJ? And we got a nice sensational sixes. Frank Mahalovich, Stan Mikita, Bobby Hull, Beliveau, Ullman, and Bert Olmsted. Is that how you say it? Olmsted? I can't even see it. Olmsted. Olmsted. Oh my gosh. Olmsted. Here we go. Gordy G. By the way, that's number 20 to 25. Oh, Gordy G all over again. Number 20 to 25, guys. And we got a nice game used lumber. Guy Lafleur, 3 of 4. Otherwise known to Master Sorter as Guy Lafleur. Twig Sigs, number 2 of 7, Cujo. Obviously in the Leafs uni. Cujo dual stick auto 2 of 7 for TOR on that uni that he has on. Okay, we got Drew. Drew C, you're up. All right, there you go, Mitt G. It's been a long time, Drew. Good to see you again, man. All right, we got Tano in the 2 spot. Tano. Cujo's 2 of 7. 2 of 7. 6s 25. Tape to tape 15. Yeah, 25 on the sensational 6. Sixes, Tano. JJ. Thanks, Tano. I don't know if JJ's in the chat or not, but just text him. Yeah, there he is. Okay. Tape to tape, JJ. Cujo to 7. And then Cujo to 7, Dale. Hey, Dale. Take that as the last spot, right, Dale? 2 out of 7, Cujo. Number to 7. Nothing wrong with that. Not too shabby, man. Yeah, not bad at all. All right, guys, thank you for that. We're going to work on filling some breaks now. We'll go back to doing some Lumber Kings a little bit later, but now it'd be nice to fill some breaks up, and then we can always come back in a little bit. All right, thanks, everybody.